Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And my name is Christian and I am Christian's Crafty Adventures. For my friends that have been here, hey guys, welcome back. So I just want to give you this is going to be a very quick video. I want to give you just a quick price comparison because all these ephemera, all these embellishments, paper embellishments, every single one of them, all of this together cost me 20 cents, okay? And I bought this Bloom Street embellishment. This is regularly $4.99 regular price. And this is how many flowers you get from one packaging. And this is originally $4.99, but I got it for $3.49 as sale price. So just take a look real quick on how much we have on here and compare it to all of this, including these sentiments. All of it is only 20 cents. So if you are trying to find some cost-effective options for crafting, I suggest that you get this sheet of paper from the Bloom collection. Let me show you. This is a number 2 paper. I'm getting it right now. So this is the Bloom Street number 2. Get a good pair of scissors and watch some Netflix and start cutting away. And you will be left with all this for 20 cents. This is originally 99 cents, but it was on sale. If you get it it's on sale right now. So if you get one sheet of this for 20 cents, you will get all of this. All this from one. And I'm trying to show you on this side, on the left side, I'm taking all this out. And this cost me $3.49. I just want to give you like a visual on how much $3.49 versus 20 cents would be. So let me put this aside. And this is $3.49. It's already cut for you and it's ready for you to go. However, if you have time to fussy cut some embellishments and you want to save on some money, this one is $3.49. This one, 20 cents. And half of a movie. So 20 cents, great pair of scissors, watching Netflix. This side, $3.49 without tax. Anyways, I just want to share that with you guys, something to think about. Since we have time, and if you're okay to fussy cut, this is an amazing option to decorate your bags, your cards, your gift tags, everything. Just an amazing option. I just want to put it out there. Anyway guys, that is my Saturday tip. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing down below and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions for me, just put your comments down below. Anyway, thank you guys. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay crafty. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye guys!